Saturday, October 7, 2023 was the worst day in Israel's military history. That day, the Palestinian resistance group, Hamas, launched a surprise attack that left Israel at a loss. Hamas managed to penetrate Israel's proud Iron Dome defense system. This breaks the views of academics and military historians around the world who look to Israel for their modernization in all fields. This attack also destroyed Israel's reputation, which has always been proud of the capabilities of its intelligence services.
Iron Dome is Israel's short-range surface-to-air defense system that intercepts incoming missiles, rockets and even drones by destroying them in the air. The system has been successfully guarded since 2011. Israel is believed to have 10 such systems. The defense system has a range of up to 70 kilometers. The detection and tracking radar inside Iron Dome detects rockets in the air and sends information to the weapons control system, which then performs rapid calculations to detect the trajectory of the incoming projectile and destroy it in mid-air. In the midst of Hamas attacks, the Iron Dome
Israel reported about 3,000 incoming projectiles. Some of them passed through the Iron Dome missile defense system and hit buildings in Tel Aviv. Amir Zarfati, an Israeli public figure, said that only Russia had the ability to disable the Iron Dome defense system by firing drones into the system through Hamas. Hamas penetrated Israel in 22 locations through the Gaza Strip. They also went through a tunnel 15 miles deep and managed to cross the border. Israel has spent around $1 billion erecting the supposedly impenetrable barrier.